Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English Literature for grade 7. Here I am teaching Mr. Sanaullah. Today we will do the exercises about word power on pages 177 and 182 of your English Literature book. These two exercises belong to lesson number 2 of unit 4. The topic of the lesson is Aunty misery. During the last 2 weeks, we not only finished the main text of the lesson, we also did the words, meanings, and sentences and question answers from this lesson. Page number 177, you are going to answer the following question that contain these words. These 5 words are permission, sorcerer, tomb, trustworthy, druggist. Number 1 question. When people visit a tomb, are they visiting someone who is alive or someone who is dead? Please write the answer. They are visiting someone who is dead. They are visiting someone who is dead. Question number 2. If you think that a boy is trustworthy, would you lend him your bike or not lend it to him? Write the answer. I will lend him my bike since he seems trustworthy. Trustworthy is a person who is very dependable, trustable, reliable, who is not a cheater. I will lend him my bike since he seems trustworthy. Number 3 question on page number 177. If you get something from druggist, are you feeling well or feeling ill? Please write the answer. I will access the druggist only in case of feeling ill. Of course, when you are sick, then you will go to any druggist to get some medicine. I will access the druggist only in case of feeling ill. Question number 4. If you have permission to swim at the beach, does it mean that you can go into the water or that you can't go into the water? Please write the answer. A permission entitles me to go into the water. A permission entitles me to go into the water. Question number 5. Would you expect a sorcerer to cast a spell or cast a fishing line? Sorcerer means a magician. Or sorcerer is expected to cast a spell. Or sorcerer is expected to cast a spell. On page number 182, you have got a couple of exercises. For first exercise, you will complete each sentence below using one of the given words. The children asked their parents for permission to go on the field trip. So from these 5 words, you will choose the best one to complete the sentence. The children asked their parents for permission to go on the field trip. Page number 182, sentence 2. People go to druggists to get their medicine. People go to druggists to get their medicine. Number 3. After getting caught stealing, the boy thought his parents would never consider him trustworthy again. After getting caught stealing, the boy thought his parents would never consider him trustworthy again. Number 4. Every morning, the old woman placed fresh flowers near her husband's tomb. That is our answer for question number 4. Every morning, the old woman placed fresh flowers near her husband's tomb. Number 5. The sorcerer waved his wand to cast a spell. The sorcerer waved his wand to cast a spell. Now we will go to the next part of the exercise. Here you will circle the word that best completes each sentence. I hope the druggist gave us the correct pills. Pills means tablets, kind of medicine. I hope the druggist gave us the correct pills. You will circle the word druggist. Number 7. My mother gave me permission to go to the concert. My mother gave me permission to go to the concert. Number 8. On the dark, stormy night, the sight of the old stone tomb frightened us. On the dark, stormy night, the sight of the old stone tomb frightened us. For question number 8, you will circle the word tomb. Number 9. Spot was the most trustworthy guard dog the family ever had. Spot was the most trustworthy guard dog the family ever had. And the last one on page number 182. The king worried that the sorcerer would use evil magic against him. The king worried that the sorcerer would use evil magic against him. My dear students, I hope you would have done all the exercises about word power on page number 177 and 182. As a homework, you will revise these exercises related to the word power. Thank you very much. See you next time with a new lesson. Have a nice time. Bye bye.